reverse grip, pressure, boom, pull them over top. My name is Brandon Paulson. I am co-owner of PINnacle Wrestling School. So it's pretty easy, pretty basic here. We want those guys to be great and be their best. So they know that coming here, whether they're going against their competition that they're going to wrestle in state, or guys that are in a different division, it's going to make them better and make it better against national and world competition. Why don't you guys get to your squares? So we have enough spaces for 24 people. We have 12 squares, so they come in, they go to their squares with their partners. We shut down right away before the state actually told us to. And then it was like, you don't really have a clue what's going to happen. Everything changed every week. Yes. Before, we used to have 2 practices and then we'd clean the mats after. Now, you know, with COVID-19, we clean the mats after every practice. Stay in those legs. So we didn't want to put chemicals on the mat and then have these guys put their face in these chemicals. Wrestling, your face is on the mat, your arms are on the mat. Time to get cleaning. One of the reasons why we went to the SAO is the system doesn't take up that much space, because we got to clean mats right after we wrestle, and then we have another group coming in. There's a 25-minute break, 30-minute break. Bam, ready to go. So it's environmentally friendly. Let's get the backpack on. And friendly to skin and people, you know. So not only does it kill what you need to kill, it also cleans what you need to clean. Boom, ready to clean some mats. You know, we do recommend it to other clubs. We've talked to other clubs about it around the country, and hopefully more people can get a hold of it and get on with the SAO. We love it. You're a little close there. We like it. No bleach smell, no burning of the skin or anything after you are using it. And then when they're done, I gotta get your arms. Oh no, we need your arms. We have a sprayer that we can use that they can spray their hands with, that you can fill the bottle with SAO. For us, it's been very safe and effective. Getting you clean. Come on, baby, pump it up! For us, it's important that these guys stay safe. We try to be the leader in wrestling, and along with our results, but the kind of people that we bring through here and the safety. Wrestling isn't a social distance sport, it's a contact sport, but we're gonna do whatever we can to keep these guys safe.